Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your USPS check and ship is not working for you, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to basically start with your web browser. When you open this particular page of USPS click and ship, whether it is a Chrome web browser or Microsoft Edge, you just have to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, simply open the settings. Now in the settings, if you are in the Chrome, you just have to click on the option of privacy and security. Afterwards, click on the option of delete browsing data. After selecting it, you just have to basically delete the cache files and the cookies and then simply reload this particular page. You need to also click on this puzzle icon here on the top right hand corner. Over here, if you see any of the extensions that are basically blocking any ads, you just have to basically remove them. After that, you need to log in again and try creating your label. Most of the issues happen due to the browser conflicts or outdated sessions. So you need to basically do this particular setting the very first time when you see this. Now, in the second method, you just have to simply verify your shipment details. Just make sure that all the fields are filled correctly, the sender and the recipient's address, the zip code format, the package weight and the dimensions. Also avoid any special characters and incomplete addresses. If there is an error, the system may not proceed to the payment or the label creation. So correcting these details usually resolves the issue instantly. If the issue still persists, you can check your account and the payment. Just make sure that your USPS account is properly signed in and it is verified. You can try a different payment method or card if the payment page fails. Also ensure your billing address matches to your card details. If the site freezes during the checkout, you can just simply refresh and try again in a new session. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.